raining here in Dumaguete. Okay, they're open now. Sharp. Right here, appointment for remote of Walter. The televisions in our room. It's broken. We need to buy a new one. Okay, this is their service center. Okay, we have appointment here.
That's not a good sign. There's two of them in here being fixed.
So we need to buy a new one for a remote control of this kind of TV. This is our service center. Authorized. Probably this is authorized service center. Okay, we're going to the city hardware. My husband needs something here. Looking something here. So this is the Dumaguete City Hardware. So it's a huge, guys, hardware. My husband needed something. What you need, Dan? What you need? Oh, the seat of the toilet. We need to change it. It's bad for now. Our toilet doesn't, the cover of our toilet doesn't quickly cover. So bad. Wow, I like this. Oh, for the condo. Nice. Nice for condo, ano. What you need, I think there's a toilet here. Nice, nice.
That's two right there.
Here, Hannah. Alam mo ilain kuan kanang cover seat sa toilet. That's only han. They have it. Here. And this one. No, nice no one. No. Look at that, no? Nice. Very nice, no? It's already built, no? Nice, oh, wow. If I have a house, I'm gonna put like that, our bathroom. Nice already. No, you need to take a bit. This is only a design.
No, you want it heavy.
Yeah, but the design the design of our like that.
Yeah, but you don't want the same thing because it doesn't work. That's why I'm replacing it. That's even made the same. You don't want it made the same. But that one's heavier, you know.
But it's not fit for your arm.
You got the measure.
Take. Then measure it.
Yeah, it's not nowhere near that.
Because if not, I will go to the Robinson the next place.
Oh, it's okay. Well, thank God.
Huh? Small lang.
Requesting Jason L. Davis to customer service. Please Jason to customer service.
Gamay. Ano siya? Ano siya? Ano siya?
I don't know where they're getting these sizes from because I measured.
No size. Is this? Huh? This one is not.
41.
What is that? Slim D, the white.
That's 17. See, like you can look at this one right here. These are the cheap ones. Though.
Huh?
Slim shape, which I don't want a slim shape.
Oh, there is a sizes. Oh.
57, 40 is what you want. This, that's not important. They're all pretty much going to be the same size within an inch, within a centimeter difference. So you need 40, but you need it in like, let's see.
Standard. Are this a standard here? Because maybe this seems.
See how light this is?
Yes,
Not
but
one that's heavier.
that one was like in our big other side bathroom. Huh? Quickly close. That's in the other side. Same as the other
I
side.
measured the other side too. See, this looks like it would be the size. I didn't bring my tape measure.
Tell them, can you get the tape measure? I will get the tape measure here. Pwede may i-assess dong? Mga buong manisla di mangga. Bali-bali. Closure. Okay guys, we are here in the Ace Eye Clinic for Walter's checkup. He been here a long time ago, but I don't know why he gonna be back here. You've been here before. You quit.
Yeah, you can't get a number when you go in, so you have the first number.
No, before you've been here. Before. So close to the hypermart. Okay. This is a DOH ProHealth accredited. So furniture, the Mandawi foam furnitures across the street. And the side is hypermart shopping, grocery shopping. Usually foreigner like there because it's mostly product of imported product. So he's gonna be to check up again. Waiting here. Pila, how many minutes then? 20 minutes.
That was about 5 minutes ago, though, so it's probably
My
about 15
car is
now.
on.
Then you gotta add the 5 minutes after leaving home.
Because late to open.
Yeah. They got here last time about 5 after 2.
Then
10 after 2. Very quick after that. I went in and got, I don't know how I got such a low number, but I got 12. It didn't take long for them to get to 12. They'll call out like 4 or 5 numbers really quick. And then you go up and they just get your name and what you're here for and all that kind of stuff. And if you're the first appointment for her, then you're going to go in over here and sit down in the office.
yeah, you've been experienced already here.
No, I've never been to her office. I've been to the office where they check your eyes. One's to try to sell, one's the last one that gets you your what you're going to need, and then she sends you back to the desk, and then the desk draws up the papers and how much it's going to cost.
Yeah, that's what they say.
Yeah,
They consult.
but I never saw the doctor last time.
Ah, okay. But that one is entertain you is the woman. Yeah, you
All
don't.
3 of them are women.
Yeah. First come, first serve.
Where?